Hello, everyone. Welcome to NobleMind Cast, where stories spark the mind and shape your future.
Hey everyone, I'm Alex Rivers. Welcome to NobleMind Cast. Today, we are going to talk about something that can change your day completely: starting conversations in English. Many of us want to talk with people, but we don't know how to begin. We feel shy. We worry about our English. Let me share a small story with you. Last month, I was at a coffee shop near my office. A new colleague was sitting alone. I wanted to say hello, but my mind went blank. I felt nervous. Then I remembered, simple words are enough. I smiled and said, "Hey, mind if I join you for a minute?" He smiled back and said, "Sure." From there, the talk became easy. We talked about the weather, then about work, and we even laughed a little. That small start made my whole morning better. My friends, starting a conversation is not about perfect English. It is about being friendly and showing you care. Today, I will give you simple, natural ways to start talking with anyone, at work, at school, or even with strangers. First, use easy greetings that feel warm. "Hi, how's your day going?" "Hey, nice to see you again." "Good morning, how are you today?" These are short, but they open the door. Next, add a simple comment about something around you. "The weather is really nice today, isn't it?" "This coffee smells amazing. Do you come here often?" "I like your shirt. It looks comfortable." People love when you notice small things. Now, here are my favorite easy starters for work or daily life. "Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?" "Mind if I ask, how was your weekend?" "Excuse me, can I ask you something quick?" "Hey, have you tried the new lunch menu yet?" After you start, listen carefully and ask a follow-up question. If they say, "My weekend was good," you can reply, "Nice, what did you do?" This keeps the conversation going naturally. Let's practice a full, short conversation together. Imagine you are at the office break room. You, "Hey Sarah, how's your day going so far?" Sarah, "It's okay, a bit busy." You, "I understand. By the way, did you see the new project update?" Sarah, "Yes, it's interesting." You, "I think so too. What do you think about it?" See? Simple words, friendly tone, and the talk flows. No stress, no long sentences. Remember, every friendship, every good work relationship starts with one small conversation. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be kind and brave enough to start. When you start talking, your English improves faster. Your confidence grows, and people start to like being around you. So next time you see someone, take a small breath, smile, and use one of these starters. You will be surprised how easy it becomes. You are already doing better than yesterday. Keep practicing. Small talks, big confidence. I'm Alex Rivers. This is NobleMind Cast. Subscribe and see you tomorrow. Keep growing your mind.